In the farthest reaches of the North Pole, where snow-covered landscapes stretched as far as the eye could see, nestled among the ice and frost, was Santa Claus's secret gift factory. This was no ordinary place. It was a world of magic and wonder, where dreams took shape and wishes came to life. Every year, as winter painted the world in shades of white, Santa and his team of merry elves would prepare for the most important night of the year, Christmas Eve. They were busy crafting toys, wrapping gifts, and ensuring that every child's dreams would come true. But there was a secret few knew about: Santa's secret gift factory. This was where the most extraordinary presents were created, each one personalized just for the child who would receive it. These special gifts were known as Christmas wishes. At the heart of the factory was a room filled with enchanted snow globes. Each snow globe held a glimpse into a child's life, revealing their hopes, dreams, and the one gift they wished for more than anything else. Santa and his elves would consult these snow globes to craft the perfect Christmas wish for every child. One snowy evening, as the workshop buzzed with activity, Santa noticed something unusual. A snow globe had appeared on his desk, different from the rest. Inside, he saw the image of a young girl named Betty, who had wished for a special gift to share with her family. Santa realized that he had a unique opportunity to make Betty's wish come true. With the help of his most skilled elf, Jingle, they embarked on a secret mission to create the perfect gift for her. They worked tirelessly, crafting a beautiful hand-carved wooden music box that played Betty's favorite song. On Christmas Eve, as Santa and his reindeer soared through the starry night, they made a special stop at Betty's home. Santa quietly placed the music box under her tree and watched as Betty discovered the surprise the next morning. Betty's eyes lit up with joy as she realized her Christmas wish had come true. She couldn't wait to share the music box with her family, and together they created beautiful melodies that filled their home with warmth and love. As Christmas morning unfolded, Santa knew that the magic of the secret gift factory had touched Betty's heart, and the joy she felt was the greatest gift of all. From that day on, Santa continued to make Christmas wishes come true for children around the world. The secret gift factory remained a cherished secret, reminding everyone that Christmas was not just about receiving gifts, but about the joy of giving and the magic of making dreams come true. And so, Santa's secret gift factory, a Christmas tale of surprises, became a beloved story. A reminder that the spirit of Christmas lived in the hearts of those who believed in the magic of kindness, love, and the power of a heartfelt wish. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of more mystical tales and adventures. Make sure to like, comment, and share with fellow adventurers.